Ever wondered where the world's tallest statue stands? It's not in the United States, not in China, nor in any of the European countries. It's in the culturally rich land of India, paying tribute to a man who played a pivotal role in the country's independence. The Statue of Unity, an imposing figure reaching up to the heavens at a staggering 182 meters, is an ode to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Unveiled on the 31st of October in 2018, it's an awe-inspiring sight that commands attention and respect. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India, was a stalwart of the non-violent Indian independence movement alongside Mahatma Gandhi. He is remembered and revered for his extraordinary feat of uniting 562 princely states of India into a single Union of India, a major part of the former British Raj. The statue stands proudly in Patel's birthplace, Gujarat, a testament to his enduring legacy. The creative mind behind this remarkable piece of artistry is Ram V. Sutar, who designed the statue with a budget of around 3,000 crore. That's 430 million US dollars. The height, 182 meters, is not arbitrary. It represents the 182 seats in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly, subtly integrating the state's political structure into the monument. Now, you might be wondering, how can you visit this colossal tribute? Tickets can be booked on the official website of the Statue of Unity or directly at the site. The ticketing system is maintained by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Rashtriya Ekta Trust. The Statue of Unity welcomes visitors from 8 in the morning to 6 in the evening, every Tuesday to Sunday. On average, visitors spend between 1 to 3 hours at the Statue of Unity, soaking in the grandeur and significance of the monument. The site is busiest on Sundays, slightly less crowded on Saturdays, and the least crowded from Tuesday to Friday. Several ticket options are available, including basic entry, viewing gallery, express entry, and foreigner express entry, each offering varying benefits and experiences. So, whether you want a simple visit or a premium experience, there's a ticket for everyone. To summarize, the Statue of Unity is more than just a monument. It's a patriotic symbol that embodies the unity of India, the legacy of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the spirit of the Indian independence movement. It's a testament to India's rich history and a beacon of inspiration for generations to come.